Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be part one of a series of drinks to make to impress your friends. So the first drink we're gonna focus on is the Adios Motherf ker. So there's a good reason why this drink is called what it is. So we're gonna start with some rum, some gin, tequila, and some vodka, some lemon lime soda, Blue Curacao, sweet and sour mix, and a couple of garnishes, which is a lemon slice and some maraschino cherries. Alright, so to make this drink, we're going to start off with our vodka, and we're going to measure 1 ounce of vodka. Next up, we're going to go to our tequila and measure 1 ounce of that. An ounce of rum is all we need. And lastly, I got a new bottle of Esme gin. And we're gonna add 1 ounce of that. So, now that we have all of our liquor in our shaker, next up is the lemon lime soda. So all we need is 1 ounce of lemon lime soda. So we're gonna have 2 ounces of sweet and sour mixed into this cocktail. 2. And last but not least, we have our Blue Curacao, which we only have 1 ounce of. This will give it a nice little sweet taste. And that's all our ingredients for the Adios Motherf ker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of ice. And now we're just gonna stir it up. Okay, so now that everything's stirred up, all you have to do is put it in a glass. And what you also could do to make the glass look a little bit fuller is add just a little bit more ice to the top. Mix it in just a little bit. And garnish the drink with a lemon. And also a cherry. And there you go, guys. That is the Adios Motherf ker. All you have to do next, just sip it and enjoy. Alright guys, thanks for watching this first video of making new and exotic cocktails to impress your friends. If you are looking for a nice cocktail set, the one that I use is an Easy Cools cocktail set, and you can find that on Amazon with a link in the description. Other than that, cheers.